Hello, I'm Laurel and I want to welcome you to 1067 Dryden Road. This ranch has so many extras, and it would be ideal for an owner-occupied or as a rental because it's only 5 minutes to Cornell Vet School, and it has access to the Dryden Rail Trail. Single-level living, municipal water and sewer, a garage and workshop to die for, and it's on 1.28 acres, significantly set back from the road. Plenty of breathing room, plus a pond and a fenced veggie garden, and you really can't beat this location. Surprisingly spacious with a great layout and comfortable bedrooms. On the lower level is a huge rec room you can use in so many ways, another bathroom, and plenty of storage. (1067) Dryden Road, it's your own private paradise, and it's close to everywhere you need to be.